Guys, Jada here with my slide. Some cookies and cream and horses cream. Trinidad, guys. Could you see?
When asked whether this announcement would result in an increased number of arrivals into the country, the minister says the announcement was not done in a vacuum.
Love you.